Hi, this is Mark Wahlstrom. I'm the president of Wahlstrom and Associates, and you're watching another one of our little series of question and answers regarding structured settlements. Today's question and answer is, what should I do if I or a family member have been offered a structured settlement? Well, the first thing you should do is, if you do not have a lawyer, you need to hire a lawyer. I can't tell you how many times I've been in probate court or I've been in trial court and I'm seeing cases being approved or negotiated where people actually work only with the claims representative of, let's say, an auto or homeowner insurance company on a small to moderate size claim without the benefit of an attorney. This is always a mistake. Do not be your own attorney. If you have been in a car accident, if you've had a small accident, and an insurance company comes to you and asks to settle your claim and suggests you do it in a structure, the first thing you need to do is hire a lawyer. Now, we do business all over the United States. I'm not an attorney, but we know attorneys probably in every state. We can help you find somebody who's competent and professional and can represent you. But the first thing is, make sure you have a lawyer. Now, the second thing is that if you presume you do have a lawyer and your attorney has come to you and said you've been offered a structured settlement as a means of settling your case, we've already talked about what a structured settlement is. The next thing you have to do is, when that offer is made, is make sure that your attorney engages on your behalf a settlement planner or a structured settlement expert to represent your interest. This will not cost you anything, typically. Now, some settlement planners and some settlement advisors do charge an hourly fee. My firm does both. We charge an hourly fee, and sometimes we will work on a commission basis depending upon the case and the circumstances. But you need to hire somebody to represent your interests. In almost every case, there will be a broker or an agent representing the insurance company or the defendants in the case, and they will have made you an offer in the form of a structured settlement. This does not make them bad people. This does not make them unprofessional. It simply means they're working for the other side in the negotiation. You cannot reasonably be expected to enter into an important financial decision and settlement decision without representation on your behalf. Now, you'll go on the internet, you'll look around, and you'll find that certain firms are plaintiff only or only work with plaintiffs. That's fine. There's a lot of people and a lot of professionals who make that decision. That happens to be how I run my practice. But there's a lot of very good, very honorable, and very honest structured settlement professionals who work for defendants and plaintiffs. That doesn't matter. All that matters is, on the case that you're working on, that they are representing you and your interests exclusively and not working as the broker on both sides of the transaction. That's very important. Get your own settlement advisor and your own settlement professional to work with you on your case. The third thing is do not be rushed. Many times they'll come to you and say, well, you've got to accept the offer today, you've got to accept the offer this week, interest rates are expiring, all kinds of different things. Any deal that is a good deal will be there a week from now, 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now. Now, many times, yes, you might have a court date, you may have a trial starting, there may be some actual hard deadlines you have to deal with, but in most instances that is not the case. Do not be rushed into your decision. Make sure you have legal counsel, make sure you have a professional advisor who knows and understands structured settlements, preferably someone who is a member of one of the two major trade associations for structured settlements. That would be NASTA, NSSTA, or the Society of Settlement Planners, SSP. Both are good associations, and both are typically high-quality professionals who know and work exclusively in this business. Third thing is, do not be rushed. And the last thing is, make sure you ask questions. The proposal they offer you, the proposal they suggest to you, can be changed and modified in all kinds of different ways. If it doesn't fit your needs, if it doesn't quite fit what you're looking for, if you have questions, ask questions. Write them out, think about it, consider it. Make sure that you know what you're getting into. Make sure that you talk to the professional who's working for you. Do not be rushed, and take your time on this decision. It is important. It is irrevocable. It's your one bite at the apple, and you need to get it right. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions regarding structured settlements or you need someone to represent you, you can always contact my office. It's Wahlstrom and Associates. We're based in Scottdale, Arizona. You can call my 800 number, 800-444-5924, or you can just come to our website, wahlstromandassociates.com.